a gallon of white vinegar, half cup of salt, and 3 good squirts of Blue Dawn dishwashing liquid into a pump sprayer kills weeds and grass. And
Sure
also
would.
works on spurge.
And the big problem with spurge, again, is the seeds. Even if you're killing it, the seeds are still there. So spurge is the one thing I recommend. If you have it, pull it and do exactly what Romy said. Take a garbage bag and pull it and put it right into a garbage bag. Don't carry it around. I watched it where I was at a doctor's office the other day, and the landscape maintenance crew was there. And I watched the guy pull a weed up. I don't know if it was spurge or not, but he pulled a weed up and then just went over and put it. No, he put it right in the middle of a bush. Kind of hit it, just kind of like dumped it in the middle of, like, oh man, if that's
called job security.
Yeah, no kidding. But yeah,
he just needed a reason to come back in a couple of weeks.
The only thing that bothers me with some of those with salt will literally sterilize your ground. So be careful using, I think the vinegar by itself would kill the weeds. But if you put salt in it, man, and it's in a grass lawn, you could have a spot where even the grass won't grow back. So be careful using salt.
And if you're trying to eliminate your grass, that's fine. But
then you might want to plant bushes or trees or whatever. So I don't think it's necessarily a great idea to add salt.
Okay.
Into that. If you want a homemade concoction of Dawn soap and vinegar and citrus orange peels and that sort of stuff, go for it.